Guys, I'm finishing up our story problems here. So process of elimination tells me that the last one must be 27x plus 3 equals 6. Let's see if we can figure out what x represents. Jada works for 6 hours preparing for the art fair. She spends 3 on a sculpture and then paints 27 frames. So it looks to me like 3 is hours, and then x would be time spent on those frames. So like what fraction of an hour did it take for her to do that? That's what it appears like it would be, because you have a total of 6. You got these 27 little x's plus a 3 total of hours, and every one of those x, it looks to me be like fractions of hours. So I'm going to say x equals hours for that one. Alright, let's move on to the last part here. Moving on down. Oh, we had to find the solution for all of them too, didn't we? My bad. So let's find the solution for each one of these. I forgot about that. So let's go to the black one first, right here. What number could go into all of these x's, add up to 27? So I guess what we can do is we can work out the equation over here. It was 6x plus 3 equals 27. So let me copy it down over here. So we could take those 3 away that are here. Like if we knock those out, then we're left with 6 x's, and we take 3 away from 27, that gives us 24, and that means that a number times 6 is 24, and that number must be 4. So x must be 4 for that one, and like we said, that's $4 per ticket for the show. Alright, let's do the next one, which is in red. Okay, the next one is in red. It was 3x plus 6 equals 27. If you take the 6 away, you're left with 3 x's and 21. And a number times 3 that gives me 21 is 7. So that means that x, which is the amount of juice each friend gets, is 7. I believe these were ounces, so that would be 7 ounces of juice per friend. Alright, and the very last excuse me, the very last one is over here. 27x plus 3 equals 6. I don't have the diagram for that one. I kind of ran out of space. But if I continue working it out here, I would have 27x equals 3, because I would take 3 away from this side and that side to be left with the 3 hours that I spent on the 27 frames. And if I divide both sides by 27, it's only going to take a fraction of an hour for me to make a frame, so that's why this answer is going to be fractional. 3 divided by 27 reduces to a ninth. So x equals a ninth of an hour spent per frame. Hours, these are hours per frame. So a ninth of an hour per frame is the answer for that one. This is a doozy of a problem, and it takes a while to do all of the drawing, the setups of the equations, solving them, what they equal. So we got a ninth. For the other one, we got 7 ounces per friend. For the very first problem, we got $4 per ticket to the show. So those are our 3 solutions, what they represent. We've explained and showed our reasoning for everything. Good, great shown work. Alright, that finishes up problem number 2 there.